Hi, in this video, I will show you how to buy Ethereum on MetaMask. So in order to buy your Ethereum on MetaMask, what we can do is we can head over to the MetaMask application itself. So you just need to log in into your account. Now from in there, you can just head over to your token and then just click onto this Ethereum token that you have. Now from in there, we have in here this buy, swap, bridge, send, and receive options. So for this one, click onto this buy, then click onto this get started, and then first select your region. Let's choose USA. Then let's choose in here your state. And then once you have chosen in here your state, next thing you need to do is just click on continue and then add in here your payment method for your buying progress. So you can either buy it through your credit card, you can pay through MoonPay, and a lot other options. You can just choose in here the option that you would want in order to pay for your actual credit or for your actual MetaMask purchase. For example, you can choose in here PayPal, click on the discontinued amount, and then input right here the amount that you would want to buy in exchange for Ethereum. For example, let's spend around $100. You can click on done, and you can just buy that with PayPal.